Okay, what is up? Welcome to this video. Welcome to another episode right here on this channel. So in this video we are going to understand what the http server module is in Python. So the http server is a built-in Python module that actually creates basic http servers with minimal code. It serves both static and dynamic web content, making it useful for development and also testing, but it is not recommended for production environments. So what are the key features and usage of this? So we have the server classes. The module provides http server and threading http server classes for handling requests. So we also have the request handlers. It includes handlers like simple http request handler for serving files from directories. So the way that you run this is by writing a short piece of code, python-m http.server. I think there's a code that is actually run in the terminal. This starts a server serving file from a current directory on the port 8000. So that's it for this video. If you don't understand anything, do well to let us know in the comment section. Thank you once again.